Namaskar students. In this class, we will do one activity using different shapes of MS Paint. You can see here in this picture, we have used different shapes from the shapes group and we have filled the color with the help of fill with color tool. So, we can start here. At first, for making this pot, I am just using the oval tool and the curve tool and other shapes also. So at first I will begin with oval tool. So I am just drawing it here. You can see I have drawn this oval shape here. Now after this I will click on curve tool. You can see here the curve tool. Now what I have to do, I have to draw a straight line. So to draw the straight line, what we have to do, we have to just press the, at first we have to choose the curve tool and then I will click on shift key so that my line will be straight. Now I will place my mouse pointer in the middle and then I will make it curve. Now you can see here that my line is curved. Now if I want to fix it, that time what I have to do, I can click on it or I can again click on this curve tool. When I will click on this curve tool, that time also it will be fixed. So it is fixed now. Now I want to draw the another part of this. Here I am drawing this. Here. Now I am making it curve. You can see I have drawn the curve. Now I will click on curve tool again so that I can fix this line. Now I will draw a line here downside. Now I will make it curve. You can see. Now again I will click on curve tool so that my line may be fixed. Now I will again click on this. You can see here I have drawn a line here. Now I will make it curve. You can see here. Now I have drawn this shape. Now I will again click on this curve tool. Now I will draw the bottom part of this. You can see I want the straight line, so I will press the shift key. Now I want a little bit curve, so you can see now I will again click on curve tool. Now I want these two lines here, 1 2 3 4. I want to draw 4 lines, so I will just draw one line here. Now I will press the shift key. I have chosen the curve tool, so I will just click on this. You can see here, you can see. Now again I will click on curve tool so that my line may be fixed. Now I will click on again. Now I have drawn this much. Now I will again click on this curve tool. Now I will draw the bottom part. Oh my, yes. Now I will again click on this bottom part. Shift key I have pressed. You can see my curve is here. I have to again click on this. Now you can see, means it is not clicked properly, that's why it is coming like this. So you can click here also and just drawing the line here. Now I am drawing, this is not coming good, so I will just press Ctrl D. Now I am just doing it again, pressing the shift key. I am drawing this part. Now this is a little bit correct. Now I will draw one more line here, pressing the shift key. Now I will draw the lower part. You can see here, it is not necessary that you have to make it correctly. I can draw it differently also. I am just putting, it is not coming here, so I am just taking it upside. Or you can see I can do the changes also. I can decorate it according to my choice. It is not necessary that I have to draw the same. You can also change it according to your choice. You can decorate it according to your choice. It is not necessary that you have to do the same. Now I am just putting another. I have to make a pot, and I am just using one here and one more here. Now I am just using the circles. Now I have to fill the color here also. So I am quickly finishing this. You can see. Okay, now I want to fill the color. So for filling the color, I have to choose the color from here. Now I will click on fill with color tool. I have chosen the color. Now I will take another color. I will fill the color here. Now I am taking this color. Now I am taking yellow color. I am filling yellow color here. Now I am taking this color. Now I am taking this dark color. Okay. Now I want to fill the color inside this, so I am just taking this. You can take any other color also. It's your choice. I can change the color according to my choice. You can also fill different color here according to your choice. It is not necessary that you have to fill the same color. It's up to you only that which color you want to fill here. Okay, here you can see that my black color is not coming, so I'm just, no, I want to fill the color on the outline. You can see I have filled the color. Now I want to fill color in this. Okay, my half part is done. Now I want to draw these. So at first I will take number of lines. So for this I will choose the black color from here. Now I will draw different lines. You can draw different lines here. You can draw number of lines. It is not necessary that you have to draw the same count here. You can draw number of lines according to your choice. Now you have to choose the star. So I am just taking 5 side star. I am taking another. Now I am taking here. I have chosen. It's up to you that how many stars you want to take and where you want to put the stars. It's your choice. I have taken this much star. Now you can fill the color according to your choice. Okay, the basic thing is this, that your pot must look good with the stars. Okay, I have taken this much stars. Okay, now I want to fill the color in the stars, so I will take different color. Okay, I am just drawing one more star here. Now I want to fill the color, so for this I will click on fill with color tool. Now I will choose the color from here. Now I will fill the color. You can see randomly you can fill the color. I am choosing different color here. I am filling different color here, so that my pot must look Good. If sometime anything went wrong, that time just press the Control Z. Here my pot is ready. So now you can do the practice of this pot using different shapes and different colors and fill with color tool. Okay, so just do the practice of this activity.